Hello everyone. Today we're going to recognize the letter S. And at the end we will see which sticker we're going to get. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter S. What sound does the S make? It makes the S sound. Shall we write the letter S? We're going to start from just below the bottom line. We're going to go up to the top line and down to give it a curve. And then when in the middle, we give it a curl to the opposite side. Letter S. Let's write the S sound. We're going to start just below the middle line. Go up to the line, give it a curve, down to the middle, and give it a curl to the opposite side. S, S sound. Can you see the letter S? Let's name the letters. H, S, C. Can you point to the letter S? Well done, super work. Three more letters. Can you see the letter S? Let's name the letters. H, C, S. Can you point to the letter S? Well done, super work, fantastic. Now, can you see the S sound? Let's say the sound. S, G, I. Can you point to the S sound? Well done, super work, fantastic. Now we have lots of letters here. We're going to spot the letter S and color it when we find it. Are you ready? Let's go. Well done. We found the first S letter. Let's look for the next one. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. You found another S. Can you see any more S? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Are there any more? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Wow, there's another one. Well done. Fantastic job. Super work. What did you say? Is there another one? Well done. Yes, we found another S. Fantastic. Well done. We found all the S letters. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we have lots of sounds, and we're going to find the S sound and color it. You ready? Let's go. Well done, you found the first S sound. Let's look for the next one. Fantastic. Another S. Great work, well done. We found 3 S sounds. Great work, well done. Are there any more? Yes, let's have a look. Fantastic job, well done. Now, well done, you found the last S sound. Great job, well done. We found all the S sounds. Which picture starts with a S sound? Let's name the pictures. Snake, cat, lion. It's not the lion or the cat. Well done. It is a snake. We have 3 more pictures. We're going to find the picture that starts with the S sound. Let's name the pictures. Rain, star, sun. It's not the rain. Well done. It is the star and the sun. Which picture starts with the S sound? Let's name the pictures. Jumper. Socks. Gloves. It's not the jumper. or gloves. Well done. It's socks. Let's read some words that start with the S sound. S, a, d, s, a, d, sad. Again, let's read some words that start with a S sound. S, a, n, s, a, n, sun. Well done, everyone. Super work. Well done. Fantastic work as always. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. You have a penguin with a Santa hat on it. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Great work. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.